If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and click that subscribe button along with the bell notification icon so that you get notified each time we upload an epic video. Hi, I'm Nigin. In this video, we are going to learn Swift programming language using iPad. If you don't have an iPad, doesn't matter. You can try this code on Xcode. Swift is one of the best interactive programming languages out there. Swift is friendly to new developers and programmers. Why do we learn Swift programming language? It helps to build software for phones, desktops, and servers. It is highly optimized for modern hardware. Yes, it is simple and anyone can learn it. If you want to code on iPad, you need a software called Swift Playgrounds. First of all, you need to download this application from App Store. Open up App Store and search for Swift Playgrounds, and finally download this application to your iPad. If you look at the software window, you can see Learn to Code and Code Machine. These are playgrounds that help to learn Swift language. We can create multiple playgrounds. Most playgrounds simulate the code using graphical objects and characters. This pattern will help kids who want to code Swift. In this tutorial, we focus on core programming, so we are going to create a blank Swift playground. Select New Playground and choose Blank from starting points. Finally, you need to give a name for your playground. It is an optional step, you can skip it. Double tap on Hello World, it will pop up a new window where we write Swift code. The editor looks like a clean whiteboard. Double tap again to get a keyboard. Let's write a simple code. I'm going to use a function called print. This function will help you to print something on our screen. For example, if you want to print a text or number, you can use this method. If you have written code in C or C++ or even Objective-C, this syntax looks familiar to you. In Swift, this line of code is a complete program. You don't need to import a separate library for functionality like input-output operation. Many traditional languages need the main function to run a program, but Swift does not need that main function. Cool, isn't it? Besides, you don't need to write semicolons at the end of every statement. Next, we have to run our first program, so you need to tap Run My Code. Oops, where is my output message? Hello world. Don't be panicked, our output is hidden. To display our output, tap on ABC that placed at the top right side. If you hit on Add Viewer, a tiny output screen will add to your editor for quick reference. Now I'm going to change world to Jimmy. Let's see what will happen. Now we can see the Add Viewer changed output according to the input of print function. Don't worry if you don't understand something that we discussed here. The upcoming videos will explain everything that related to Swift programming language. Thank you for watching this video. I'm Nigin signing off.